YouTube. All right, good there. And TikTok. All right, there we go. All right. Hope you guys had a really great 3-day weekend. We are back in the cockpit. Let's see what we can do today. I noticed right away AMC is moving. We are still holding forward, yes. However, yeah, I mean, it's going to have to stay within our stop area, which is still at this point would be a loss. So don't let it do that. Just go, if it happens to go back up to the point where you break even, get out at break even. And if you have a lot of contracts, a good idea could be to even sell like 5% or 10% in this profit zone area that we're in now. However, I do expect it to, even if it goes up a little bit this morning or even all day, not to break our out point, and to even continue maybe later today down further. And if not today, then tomorrow. So this is a swing trade. Usually takes 1.5 to 2.5 days. And when it happens, you make a lot of money. And when it doesn't, you know, you don't lose much more than your risk unit. So that's how we play it. All right, let's take a look at the market chameleon here and make sure we get the right things up this morning. All right, OEG is up 43%. OEG. Put that right here. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. No, OEG. Did you say OCG? No, OEG. VTNR is also up 25%. That was one that was hot on Friday. So we'll leave that up. Closed at 7.6, is now at 9.6 and hit 11 in pre-market. So VTNR, pretty incredible. Also on Friday, OEG closed at 3.57, but now through what looks to me to be a little bit of thin volume, it's at 5. So that's up 43% now, almost 50% in the pre-market. OEG and VTNR. Yeah, let's take a look at the news on both those in case one of those is an acquisition. Yeah, Orbital Energy Group recently acquired, reaches agreement with Tech and 700 Mile Engineering and Construction. Recently acquired, reaches agreement on 700 Mile Engineering and Construction project. Okay, so that's not actually an acquisition though. That's recently acquired news of progress. So really good news. VTNR, the news, if anything, is nothing. No, it's just continued incredible trading. VTNR is like an AMC right now. Then we also have Cloudera, CLDR. I think that's Cloudera. Yeah, it's Cloudera. It was at 13 on Friday. It hit 18. Is that right? No, 16 rather, this morning, and it's pulled back to about 16. So I'm just using rough numbers here. Now that may have been on earnings. Let's see. Yeah, earnings. So that's a huge pop for a $3.8 billion company. It popped basically from 13 to 16. So that's a huge pop. So we'll probably, hopefully wait for a dip on that and get in on the dip with options. But you can use shares as well. Let's say it breaks the high of the pre-market and that becomes the entrance. That's another method. That would be at 1630, and the out would be at 1580. 1580. So that's 50 cents of risk. So be able to figure out your position sizing from that. So 1% of your account divided by 50 cents. That's how many shares you could buy. Then to convert that into options, divide that by 50. I have to go that what 50? Why 50? Well, we explain that sometimes when we want. AMC and BB, we won't trade BB, but AMC is definitely moving. I remember people saying that AMC is moving a lot more than they expected. Cloudera, well, actually, Cloudera is acquisition news, but it looks like earnings. Oh, no. Cloudera agrees to acquire several companies to be acquired by Clayton. You're right. Wow. Multiple movements going on there. All right, so we'll see what happens with that, but it's possibly apparently a good earnings release. Now, what was the deal on OEG? Yeah, OEG is now went from 5 to 5.5, basically 5.5, just a moment ago, right in front of our very eyes, right here. Boom. All right, let's see what else is up here. Up to bat. Down a lot is View. I'll put that down in a lower slot here. View. Let's see what the news is on that. That's the leading decliner. No, there's no news that I can see, and it's not a ton of volume. I'd like to see like millions of volume. All right, now going by sorting by market cap, what do we have that's extraordinary? BABA up 4.7%. BABA was at 213 on Friday, and it's now at 225. So that's a lot of positive sentiment on BABA. So we'll be taking a look at that. Edu, which we often trade. Edu has a habit of just running or bleeding all day. I don't know why that is. It's like everyone just sets their algorithms to go. So Edu was at, 10.2 on Friday. Is now at 10.72. And then let me take a look at the daily chart on that. That's just dying. Was at 20. And it just has been dropping ever since. So we've had some really good bleeder days, basically. So we'll see what happens there. What else? 6 on Neo. 3.8 on Veil. Anything bigger than that? XPEV 5%. All right, so let's pull up XPEV. XPEV was at 32 on Friday, is now at 33, almost 34. The news is announces vehicle delivery results for May 2021, and I guess they are better than expected. Neo versus XPeng, how Chinese EV duos May deliveries stack up. So I guess Neo and XPEV both with good May deliveries. I've got NVIDIA up. Oh, I just went over NVIDIA. Yeah. Somebody asked about NVIDIA. All right. Now, has anybody got any hangovers from Friday as far as holdovers from Friday that we got into that you'd like to take a quick look at while I refresh the Market Chameleon? So NVIDIA is breaking all-time highs, it looks like. Yes. Why is... Okay. So Nvidia breaking all-time highs. That's a breakout. That's an entrance for a swing trade, or it's a swing trade, but it could be long term. It could be a year. It could last a year. So you might want to get either leaps or shares. And the risk on that trade is 110 points. So 1% of your account divided by 110, that's how many shares you can get. If you can't afford to get and divide that by 50 equals one option, equals how many options you can get. If you can't get it, don't get it. It's too much risk for your account. You're going to get destroyed. Why is this thing up? Okay. There we go. Sarah, the ABCD pattern is usually on an intraday chart. You know, you got to give me a time frame. And the ABCD patterns don't usually happen until midday. I got GME up right here. I don't know if we're still in urban. Is anybody still in urban? I don't know what the premise was behind that, but it's been going sideways. So let me know when I got in urban. I don't know what's the deal on urban. Somebody's asking about that. All right, let's take a quick look at crypto land for a minute here. Up all my charts. Oh, you held over AFRM on Friday, okay, because it put in that pattern. Good. Okay, so usually what you do on that is sell like 5 to 10%, or even 20% on the peaks of the rallies, and then when they start to pull back, you sell and then a little bit, and it does another rally, and you sell a little bit. You do that like in after hours and pre-market, and then when the market opens, let it run like usual. Give it the pivot method to try to figure out whether to hold it or not any further. All right, SPY is up. Let's take a look at what's going on in SPY. SPY is up to just about breaking all-time highs, so most likely is going to break all-time highs. The market's opening in 12 minutes. Hello, everybody on TikTok. Make sure you click the link in my bio to come over and join our trading group. Yeah, and so it looks like SPY is going to break a new all-time high this morning. So definitely looking back on things, when it hit the bottom end of that channel, that was a really great spot to push all in. You know, that's probably the spot where everyone was most worried, scared, panicked, freaked out, fuck the market, you know, that whole thing. That's exactly the point in which the pro pushes in. Right? Then the market goes on like today, you know, or maybe the next few days, it goes on a massive run, incredible gains, and everyone's like, "Oh my God, this is insane! This is what I like. This is why I like the stock market." And then they push a whole bunch of money in at the top, when it's, you know, hot, and then the thing, you know, eventually takes a correction, and they all panic sell, and but the pro trader will be getting out at the top. You'll be exiting at the top. So it just goes to show how fucked up your mindset is when you're a beginner. You have to 180-degree turn around your mindset. When things look terrible, that's when you get in. When things look absolutely euphoric, that's when you get out. Yeah, pretty crazy. But you have to flip your mindset around. Yeah, we're holding forward. Not going to go over that again. XPEV. Okay, continuing through the list from XPEV. Let's see if there's any other large big cap gains. Yeah, GME would be the next one. And then SBSW, actually, we do have something here. SBSW is 7% gains. Closed at 18.4 on Friday, is now basically pushing 20. Okay, so that's pretty good. Hey, everybody on TikTok, how's it going? Make sure you click the link in my bio to come join my trading community right now. And then let's see. SBSW, what's the news on it? There's not a news item to be found. But it is a $13 billion company, up almost 8% in pre-market. So we'll be watching that as well. We have a swing on Workhorse. How's that looking? All right. Well, we've got 9 minutes until the market opens. Let me just make sure I get all the way down through all the big caps here that are making moves. AMC up 17%. Okay. AMC hasn't even really had a pullback this morning from 27.5. Very irrational, as usual. How's it going, everybody? Yeah, AMC pushing hard. ADA, one of the best. Yes, I love ADA. Matic, if you can get any, that's my next best. I mean, that's my favorite crypto, Matic, right now. Yeah, probably forget about Bitcoin. In general, it's just right now, it's in a downtrend. Ethereum's looking much better. And yeah, ADA, my short list here. XLM, and even Litecoin. Litecoin just is doing well. Don't get suckered into BB, BlackBerry. It is got too big of a float. Let me double check on that. Yeah, it's got 500 million share float, so it's not going anywhere worthwhile. Continuing on down into the 3 billions. Cloudera, that's what we're on, like a pack of wolves. 7 minutes to the open, guys. Hello, everybody on TikTok. Make sure you click the link in my bio to come join my trading group. Dogecoin, listen, I'll take a look at it, but there's a lot of better opportunities out there, such as ADA. That's just one of the hottest ones right now, doing really great. ADA, Cardano. Yeah, Doge doesn't look good. It looks like a typical hype, pump and dump type of stock, type of coin. Whereas you go over to ADA and it's just, nice, smooth growth, something you can trust. And Matic, even better. Matic is just my number one pick. Matic went up 250% from the dip. 250%. Bitcoin went up 15% from the dip. So, there's definitely deals to be made in here. Yep, still continuing down the list here. Cloudera. ALKS up 6% on 69,000 shares. The news is approval for the treatment of schizophrenia and bipolar disorder. ALKS, I'll put that right here. Hello, everybody over on TikTok. How's it going? Make sure you click the link in my bio. Kick that link in my bio. Kick it. Just fucking kick it. Or click it. Click it, touch and hold, pat it, slap it, kick it, bop it, whatever you want to do with it. The link is in my bio. Go do it. Yes, Ripple won their lawsuit. Yeah, and I think that just goes to show that if the SEC is going to try to protect investors from crypto, they're going to have to readjust the rules of what they control, because the rules of what they control, crypto doesn't look like it's going to pass those rules, so they won't be able to control it. But they're going to. It's just a matter of time and court cases and changing policies and voting in a new rule set. So yeah, it's just a matter of time. So, but it is a big win for crypto, which is nice. In the meantime, again in crypto land, my favorites are Cardano, ADA, and Matic. That would be Matic is what it's under, or Polygon, Matic Polygon. Make sure it's Matic Polygon that you get. Click the link in my bio in order to come into my trading group. You'll find out more information on the trading group after you've clicked the link in my bio. And then we have Goggle, a $2 billion company, up 6.3%. Let's see. So that ALKS, yeah, it is showing some movement. Goggle, and we've got 3.5 minutes until the market opens. Three and a half minutes, 3 minutes until the market opens. And you want to make sure you click the link in my bio in order to come trade with us today. You can learn how to trade in our trading community over at the link. Click the link in my bio to come join our trading community. Today we're trading AMC, Cloudera, Baba. I think those are the big ones. VTNR, we'll be looking for a pre-market breakout on VTNR. And I'm almost down to the bottom of the list here. What moved in bigger caps and billion caps. LX is another one. That one, Goggle, yeah, that's just not really showing enough volume. LX was it? Yeah, no, couldn't be. Nope, yeah, no. Can also moving. And let's just take a look at Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin just hanging out back at that pullback level. Bitcoin looking like Doge right now to me, chart wise. Not looking that great. Looking very similar to Doge, like a hyped pump and dump that dropped. Boy, Matic and Cardano looking a lot better. And a quick look at Ethereum. Let's see what I feel like on that chart. Ethereum looks great. Ethereum looks really, really great. Ethereum looks as good as Cardano, and but equal. Matic looks better than them both right now for the short term. And we've got 2 minutes to the open, guys, and I'm looking at XRP. XRP bid all over the map with some hype, pump and dump going on there. Yeah, I wouldn't personally invest in XRP from what I'm seeing on that chart. You could get some return out of it, but you need to know when to sell. But I wouldn't invest. I would not invest in XRP based on what I'm seeing on that chart. Yeah, that looks like a type of penny stock chart I've seen many times. Stay away. But it doesn't matter, I mean, that lawsuit, that's great for crypto. All right, we got 1 minute or just a few seconds here to the market open. We'll be cutting off the TikTok feed in just a second. Thanks for tuning in, everybody on TikTok. Come click the link in my bio to come join us in the trading room right now. You can learn how to join us in the trading room right now. Just click the link in my bio. Make sure you tune in and follow me. Click the link in my bio. Watch your risk out there. We teach you how to watch your risk and how many shares to buy, how to be careful not to lose money in our group. That's something we focus on heavily. How not to lose money. All right, everybody, here we go. All right, we're going to be watching Cloudera intently. Interested to see if it can make a break of the pre-market high at 1620, or if it can put in some red candles, settle somewhere at the bottom, and then break out. All right, you guys on TikTok, thanks a bunch. See you in the group. Have a great day. AMC in space. Yes, we're in space. Space swing trade, Roblox, Workhorse, BBBY, insider trading information. Good stuff. All right, follow me. Click the link in my bio. All right, see you in a little bit. All right, Cloudera making its moves. Looking for opportunity here. That one view, yeah, we were thinking it might bleed out all day. Never mind on that. That thing popped up pretty high. Oh, CRM for some reason is on my my radar here, leftover from Friday, and boy, is that dropping. And how is the market acting? The market's a bit sideways. Rates are up a smidge. Financials are up. Industrials are up. Energy is up. So that's probably a sign that discretionary spending and tech will be down. Yeah, VTNR, man. That's crazy. Now, if VTNR breaks 11.5, so 11.51, high frequency traders, those with $25,000 or more in their account with pattern day trading rules, no restrictions, you would get all in on the breakout 11.51 on VTNR. Okay, Ford opened up but is now dropping. So that's just typical. That's what we're looking for. Baba, let me take a look at that, see if we've got an entry. No. Cloudera. Now, Cloudera is going to have a lot of hype. So we're hoping to get a breakout on Cloudera or a dip buy. High frequency traders, OEG did break out of 6 right out of the open. So that was a pre-market high breakout of 6. It's now pulled back, but it popped all the way to 6.3. For you high frequency traders, that would have been something you're stocking. XPEV about to break out. XPEV, XPEV, is about to break out of pre-market highs. The risk on that would be about 40 cents. There it is. XPEV just broke out of pre-market highs. Edu running this morning right out of the open. All right, Baba falling, Cloudera holding, but Ford right in the middle here since we're in that pretty heavy. So this is your chance to take some off of Ford after it showed a lot of strength pre-market. You could take, let's say you had 10 contracts, you could get rid of 1 or 2. Yeah, AMC is not putting in a momentum trade to the upside, that's for sure. And we don't really teach shorting here other than puts, because you really, we don't really want to get you too heavily into that. But we definitely can say so. And if you have the ability to get shares short, Yeah, that's great. Instead of puts.